Hey guys, I'm back. It's been a while. So we're gonna jump right into this. The LASFIT was kind enough to send me their wireless car charger. And this is gonna go actually on the Camry. This is gonna be the mount where this goes on to. It's gonna be pretty much mounting near where the hazard switch goes. All right, this should open up pretty easily. Alright, so let's see what we get in the box. Alright, so we got the suction cup right here. It looks to be very high quality material. Got a thumb screw right here to adjust this. We'll see how this handles. I'm actually going to put some abuse on this. Okay, and then here we have the actual charger itself. Pretty heavy. Feels good. Doesn't feel flimsy or anything. So these are just my first impressions. Alright, look at that. So I do see a USB Type-C port right here, which is good. Alright, so as you guys can see, this thing has power now, and it does have a single operating button on the top. The way that you use it, it's pretty much like not an actual button, but it's just like senses your finger. So that's to close, and to open. So then you just put your phone on there, tap the button, pretty much locked into place. And it should begin to charge it. There you go. So this is just a test. I am using the power bank. You know you got power because it's got that blue LED right there. It's pretty sturdy. If you are interested in buying it, I do have a discount code. You can use OG Camry at the checkout so that you save yourself 10%. So go ahead and do that. If you're enjoying this video, go ahead and leave it a like and comment and subscribe. Don't forget. Let's go jump into the car. Alright guys, so I'll switch back to my camera. So let's do a little test run. So as you guys can see, the wire is pretty tucked in. Kind of runs from here over through here underneath the steering wheel, and then you can barely see this like crack. You can barely see it, but if you're actually like looking at it with a light, obviously you're gonna see the panel that's kind of like open here, but it runs over through here. And then I just tucked it underneath my little center console cover that I haven't glued on. I still have yet to peel the 3M adhesive from there, and it runs through there super clean onto the 2.1 amp charger here. As you guys can see, we got power, so fully functional. I have it on the arm, and I didn't notice, but you can adjust the angle of the arm right here, but you also can adjust how far you want it away from you, so you can even get it a little closer to you. It's pretty cool. I like that. Luckily I left enough cable here so I can adjust it to however I want, but I kind of like it really close so it doesn't really intrude my vision here, so I can slightly move it here or whatever. I can even position the phone in landscape mode, so I can do like a selfie shot. There we are, guys. Well, this is actually going to be the first driving impression that I have with it. Let's see how sturdy it really is. And the great thing is that I can still see what I'm doing. It's not really impeding my vision at all. I think I have it set at the perfect height, honestly. From what I can see, there's no movement. It's pretty sturdy, which is good. Handle that speed bump pretty well. these are honestly my first impressions. Haven't really driven with the car. It's holding up pretty good. We're about going 45, 40, about 50 miles per hour right now. It's holding up pretty well. Yeah, I mean, it hasn't fallen, so that's good. So I did leave at around 3:30. So remember, guys, we left it at about 50% charging. So by the time I get to work, I'll give you guys an update. I should probably get to work at around 3:45 or so. Alright guys, so like I said, we ended up arriving at 3:45 at work. Let's see how much it charged within the last 15 minutes. We got about 20 mpg right there on that run. So let's see, it's still charging, I believe. No. So we ended up getting 55% charge within the last 15 minutes. It's really not that bad. Considering that the Camry doesn't have a USB Type-C port, and then I do have the old iPhone. I have the iPhone 11 Pro Max, so I don't think this has like the super crazy newest tech from Apple that makes it charge your phone a lot faster. But I did have a case on also, so maybe I would have charged faster without a case. I'm not sure, but it charged with the case nonetheless. I'm gonna test it on the Jeep because the Jeep actually does have a USB Type-C port. I'll give you guys an update on that, so look out for that video. But overall, in my opinion, I really like this product from LASFIT. Definitely like the arm attachment better. Yeah, and if you guys want to see how I installed it, pretty basic. I'll give you guys a rundown on another video. But overall, this is my thoughts, my initial impressions on the LASFIT wireless charger for the 2020 Camry. If you guys like this video, make sure to give it a like. Also make sure to subscribe to the channel down below, and then make sure to comment and tell me what I should do next, or if you like the video, whatever. And then also, I really want to thank you guys for giving me 3,000 subscribers. It really means a lot. Let's try to push for 5,000. Actually, let's go for 10. I'll see you guys next time, and yeah, take care.
Like, ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right?